Today I'm going to show you how to make a secret hidden entrance out of the ground. You will need redstone dust, an observer, a redstone torch, a block of your choice, lever, redstone repeater, sticky piston, a slab, and another block of your choice. Let's get started. First, place 2 sticky pistons facing upward. Then come out here, place a temporary block and another sticky piston, then get rid of this. Now, place another 2 temporary blocks here, then 2 temporary blocks up, then place 2 sticky pistons. Now get rid of these blocks, and then place a sticky piston here facing up. Then build 2 blocks up and break the one under it, and build 2 to the left. Now, come around here on this side and put 2 redstone dust there, a block, more redstone dust, then a temporary block there, then a block there, then get rid of that block. I mean a slab. It has to be a slab or glass, either one will work. Now come here and place a repeater and set to 2 ticks. And set to 2 ticks. 1, 2. I'll place a block here, redstone dust here, and then place a block here, then redstone dust. Then get your other block that's the the surface staircase block thingy and place it here. Then place a redstone torch here and place an observer facing upward. So the face is facing this, or in other words, the red dot is facing upward. Then place a block on top of it and a slab here. Now connect that upper redstone dust. Next, get an observer and put it here. See this funnel shape? The one on the funnel faces this way into the piston. If I get rid of this piston, you can see the red dot is facing that way. So now, drop your repeater and place it here, 0 ticks. And believe it or not, that's done. If you place a lever here, here, or here, it will work. So place a lever here and try it out. It should do this. And maybe if you just want it to put it up to the surface, just make sure it doesn't touch any of that. Just place it, just go like this and build up. Just chuck this in and build it up and place your lever, and then just cover up the redstone like this, and you can place a block here, and then just try it out, and it would look like this. Thanks for watching. Bye!